you guys what I'm reading, little update, and I did order a new Bible study resource, so I'll share that with you guys in a little bit. And then I also figured I would share with you guys just some stuff that I picked up from TJ Maxx. Some stuff yesterday and some stuff last week, but I figured I'd just share that with you guys today. Just started off my morning doing a little cleaning, organizing. I put on my Spotify playlist with just some worship music, having that going. I do want to read a little bit today too. I'm looking at the books. I think the next book I'm going to start is The Accidental Feminist, Restoring Our Delight in God's Good Design by Courtney Resing. So this is the book. So that is my plan. I have a few other ones here lined up. I am trying to film like some sort of reading vlog for you guys with more than just one book, doing a quick overview of just what the book is. So that should be coming out soon. And yeah, just trying to start off my morning great, on a good note. So I started reading in Esther, which is kind of funny because as I started reading it, I was like, oh, all these things, like, I knew a lot. Not a lot, but like I knew certain things where I was like, why do I know this information? And it's because last year I read it and did a recap video for it. So if you guys would like to see the full recap of the Book of Esther, I'll leave that link down below. I just thought it was so funny that I had done it. So I've just been rereading that. And then I want to do some, maybe I will, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I did want to read a little bit of my book here. Respectable Sins by Jerry Bridges for my group. We are on the sin of anxiety, frustration, and contentment. That's the next session. So chapter 9 is anxiety and frustration. So that is what I will be reading on. I'm trying to get a little ahead of the group just because life gets busy and I don't want to be behind. So that is what we're doing. So I'm going to pop open this bad boy and just do some reading and we can chat. So I finished reading for the meantime, so let me show you the new resource that I recently got. A little thirsty. I picked up this parallel commentary on the New Testament, and it has commentary, notes, and quotes from Charles Spurgeon, John Wesley, and Matthew Henry. And this is just what it looks like. I believe it was $20 on Amazon. It's from the KJV translation. And it says, portions from the sermons of Charles Spurgeon are on the left-hand side. Excerpts from commentaries of Matthew Henry and John Wesley are on the right-hand page. Read the biblical text and glance at the parallel. I haven't even opened this. Interesting. And this is for the New Testament. And I know there's one on the Psalms, which I want to get because I want to do a study through the Psalms. So that's something that I have been wanting to do. It's so funny because I tend to plan like my YouTube videos, like things I know I want to film, like that are like specific videos. I'll make like a list and kind of like ideas of what I want to do, and then I'll do like morning routines or Sunday get ready with me as I just go through the month and plug them in as they work. And sometimes it is amazing how videos I want to film, I'm seeing other creators film it, so then I start wondering, like, do I still even film this? I don't want to look like I'm copying other people, but it's so amazing how God works and how everyone is just kind of on the same page, whether it's studying the same thing or just like the same type of video to film. Something as simple as that. I did want to film like all my Bible resources, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that, mostly because, not because I don't want to compete with other ones, but I know How to Fake the Life just posted one, and I want to watch her videos to see if I need to buy anything, because one, I love those type of videos, seeing what people have, like seeing what they use to Bible study and what they use to journal and all that stuff. I love those type of videos, so I want to watch her video and just see what resources she has, because you guys know that I've been wanting like a multi-volume commentary, and I know she has a few sets, so I'm interested to see what she says, like what her opinion is on the ones that she has and what she suggests. So I want to watch that and grow my collection a little bit before I share that with you guys. But you guys have pretty much seen what I have, because in all my study videos, resources for the beginning of the year, I share all of those anyways. So this is the newest one to the collection. I'm excited. You will see this in an upcoming video, because I do have plans to do more in-depth study videos. I know I've kind of been slacking, just timing. I'm trying to find a good flow on how to film on my days off and just do all that, and also edit. Editing doesn't take me long. It's just finding the motivation to edit, because I don't feel like I'm the greatest at editing, so I'm working all day. And yeah. Oh, and I want to show you guys the things that I bought at TJ Maxx before we kind of close off the video. So let's do that. So let me share with you guys some of the things I've recently bought. Just think they're super cute. I'll start off with this little vest. I just figured it was a good transitional piece. It's starting to get warmer, and I figured this would also look good, you know, summer into fall as it starts getting cooler. But it's just this little like quilted vest, and it's lightweight but still soft and somewhat warm. Like the inside's nice and soft. So I got this. I also purchased this little, let me button it, this little top. I figured this would look cute with like a tank top under if I wanted to wear it as like a shirt, or it would look cute over dresses if I wanted to just, you know, throw something over a dress. This would be cute, and it's a nice material. It's thicker, and yeah, and it's like an off-white color. It's not purely white, but it's not like a super beige color, because like my shirt is white, so you can see the slight difference. Also, my hair's in this because it's kind of curly, kind of not, and this is just easier. So I got this cute sundress, and I like this one because the material's heavy and thick and not see-through at all. It has a zipper in the back. A cutesy little dress. It is a striped, as you can see, it's striped, vertical stripes, and it has like that, like a small ruching in the front here. Very cute. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I have tons. I think, did I do a video last year about only wearing dresses for a month? I feel like I did a video on that, or maybe I meant to. But last year I tried to challenge myself to wear a dress or skirt every day for a month, because I just have so many dresses and skirts, and I feel like if I'm only wearing them on Sunday, there's no need to have as many as I have, so I should be wearing them more often. But I do. I have a ton of dresses. I can literally probably wear a dress every day for a month and not repeat, and probably still have some left over. So that's the first one. This one is giving grandma's tablecloth, grandma's curtains in the kitchen. It is just this like summer lightweight dress. It's got fruit on it, like vintage looking fruit in little squares, but it's long, it's flowy, and I just thought it was super cute. It's just a basic summer dress with fruit on it. It's giving grandma, but not in like a grandma style, just the print is grandma. Just the print is grandma. We've had this chat before. And then I bought this vertical striped blue dress. I have a dress similar to this, but it's definitely leans more white with like fewer blue stripes, and it's not collared or anything. That's just the way I convinced myself that I needed both these dresses. So this one has a collar, short sleeves, and then it has like this ruching at the bottom, or not ruching, like a peplum. No, I don't know what this is called. The bottom, it's buttoned all the way down, and it's cute. I'm excited to wear this one. I figured this would be also like a good transitional piece for spring into summer, or winter into spring, summer into fall, because you can wear this with boots, sandals, anything. And I just thought it was so cute. So those are the things that I recently picked up from TJ Maxx. Oh, I also picked up this perfume. It's Howdy Hibiscus, and it's lemon, hibiscus, and pear. And this is just what it looks like. It smells really good. It's like a subtle sweet smell, but I really like it. And then I also picked up this hair mask because I am trying to wear my hair natural a little bit more. The Dew. Happy as to hear how to pronounce it. The Dew. This is the Sweetest Thing Honey Moisture Mask for your hair. So we'll be trying this out. I'll probably try it out on TikTok, so if you want to follow me there for more content and lifestyle beauty content too. I'm trying to get on my TikTok. Okay, well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave you guys here. Just a little quick morning in my life, sharing some things with you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.